Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. I am Amita ma'am and welcome to Language Space. Today in Language Space, we will do a reading practice. In previous session, you already did reading practice and copywriting. Today we will do reading practice of classwork book page number 137. Now let us read first paragraph. First, we will read the heading. The a ma tam, ha a z has, j a ma jam. Tam has jam. Now we read first line. The a ma tam, ha a z has, j a ma jam. Tam has jam. टैम के पास जैम है। जब भी आप कोई भी सेंटेंस लिखते हो तो उसका फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल होना चाहिए और सेंटेंस के बाद आपको क्या लगाना है? फुल स्टॉप। हमेशा हमें सेंटेंस खत्म होने के बाद फुल स्टॉप लगाना है। ट ए म टैम, ह ए ज हैज, ज ए म जैम। टैम हैज जैम। नाउ नेक्स्ट लाइन। एस एच ई शी, एच ए एस हैज, ब न बन, टी ओ ओ टू। शी हैज बन टू। उसके पास बन भी है। एस एच ई शी, एच ए एस हैज, अ र ए ड रेड, ज ए म जैम। जैम कौन से कलर का है? रेड कलर का। शी हैज अ रेड जैम। एस एच ई शी, E A T S eats, R A D red, J A M jam, A N D N, B A N bun. She eats red jam and bun. वो red jam and bun दोनों खाती है। Now we will read next paragraph. First we will read the heading. T-H-E, the, B-A-G, bug, the bug. Now we will read paragraph. I-H-A-V-E, have, a, B-A-G, bug. I have a bug. Bug means small insect. I have a bug. मेरे पास bug है। I P U T, put, T H E, the, B A G, bug, I N, in, a, J A R, jar. I put the bug in a jar. मैंने बग को जार के अंदर रखा। T H E, the, B A G, bug, I S is, R A D, red. The bug is रेड। बग कौन से कलर का है? रेड कलर का। टी एच ई, द, ब अ ग, बग, आई एस इज, एल आई टी टी एल ई, लिटिल। द बग इज लिटिल। बग छोटा है। लिटिल मीन्स स्मॉल। आई डब्ल्यू आई एल 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 ई टी, लेट, टी एच ई, द, L I T T L E, little, B A G, bug, G O, go, and full stop. I will let the little bug go. मैं छोटे बग को जाने दूंगी। In this way, you will read the whole paragraph by putting your finger under each and every alphabet. Today, we will also do copywriting of small sentences in our English classwork book. A sentence is made by using sight words, two-letter words and CVC words. Sight words like these, the, two-letter words like on, in, and CVC words like bat, cat, mat, etc. So let's start. For doing copywriting, open page number 139 of your classwork book. So children, let's do copywriting. Copywriting means you have to write the sentence given into the first line and the given below lines. आपको इसी सेंटेंस को वापस कॉपी करके नीचे की लाइंस में लिखना है, उसे कॉपीराइटिंग कहते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. बट पहले हम आज की डेट लिखेंगे 17-2-2021. Whenever we write any sentence between the words, we will give some space. हम हर एक वर्ड के बाद थोड़ी सी जगह रखनी है. So let's start. First letter will always be a capital and end sentence end with the full stop. हमेशा किसी भी सेंटेंस का फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल होता है और सेंटेंस खत्म होने के बाद हम क्या लगाते हैं? फुल स्टॉप. So first we have to read the sentence. THE the, rat, RAT rat, IS is, IN in, THE the, tub, TUB tub. The rat is in the tub. Rat tub के अंदर है. Now we have to copy. T H for H standing line. Go up. Make a curve. Come down. Make a curve. Go up. C curve. E. Now we have to make one finger space. Standing line. Go up. Make a curve. C curve. Go up. Standing line. Standing line. Come down. Make a curve. Sleeping line. R at the right. Again one finger space. Standing line. Dot. S. IS is, IN in, T H E the, T A B tub. TUB tub. Now put a full stop. The rat is in the tub. Now second sentence. Again a capital. A pen. PEN pen. IS is ON on. THE the. The pad. A pen is on the pad. Now again sentence start with capital letter and end with full stop. So let's write. Slant line. Again make a slant line. Sleeping line. A sleeping line. Go up. Make a curve. P E N pen. One finger space. I as is, ON on. T H E the P A the pad PAD pad. Make a full stop. In this way, you have to finish writing both the sentences in your English classwork book. You have to complete homework book page number 90 of copywriting. Children, keep practicing at home. We will meet tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.